Hi guys, in this quick video I would like to show you what I find is a must-have accessory for your EDgun Leshiy, and it's the Huma-Air pellet dispenser. You can find it on their website. It's available for 177, 22 and 25. It's a complete aluminum structure that houses, in this case the 25 version, 11 pellets. It will fit most of the variety of pellets you would like to use. It even fits the 25 Predator Polymax without any problem. I've seen many other varieties of 3D printed ones on the internet. They will work great without a doubt. I even made one myself, 3D printed. I love 3D printing, but sometimes for a quality gun like this you need a quality accessory, and that's why I like to go with the Huma-Air pellet dispenser. I will show you now how to install it. It only takes a few seconds, and I'm sure you'll love it. Let's go. Right guys, as you could see, installation very simple. It only takes 2 screws and a few minutes of your time, and now you have a very nice place to store your pellets when you go out hunting or shooting in a quality accessory. That's it for now. Please like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram for some extra content, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.